Marhaba, this is Abdulrahman from the Arabiker. In this video, we will continue with our overview on the Arabic alphabet, the Alif Ba of the Arabic. But we will focus on similarities and things that we need to agree on from the beginning of your journey of learning Arabic alphabet. Before we start, make sure to check the course page on our website to get access to some practice drills and support material. Okay, from the previous video, you might have noticed that some sounds are similar in Arabic, and that is correct. That is something that you need to be aware of and focus on. Let's take these set of letters that sound similar and watch out for the difference. Now here we have a dal, which sound like a da, do, D. In comparison to dad, the dad sounds more emphatic and more heavy. It's deeper into your mouth. Da, do, di. Again, see the difference? Da, do, di. More emphatic. Da, do, di. Check out the dhal. The, thu, the. Compare it to the va. Again, the va is more emphatic. Focus on the emphasis, the emphatic nature of the letter, and you will master it easily. Va, vu, the. Va, vu, the in comparison to the, thu, the. Again, another set. Ta, tu, ti. This is a very light letter. Compare it to the emphatic sound. Ta, tu, ti. Again, we don't expect that you will master these from this short video, but it's something that I want you to be aware of and focus on during your journey of learning Arabic. Another set. Sin, sa, su, si. Very soft. Compare it to the sad, sa, su, si. See how emphatic that sound? Sa, 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 su, su. See the difference? Another set of words can be the qaf and the kaf. The kaf is soft. Ka, ku, ki. Compare it to qa, qu, qi. See how heavy and emphatic and deep the sound of the qaf. Qa, 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 qu, qi. Ka, ku, ki. Those were the set of letters, 2 letters, that the only main difference between them is how emphatic the sound is. Now, let's take a look at other set of words that, as per our experience, a lot of learners struggle a bit with them. Okay, let's take these 3 together. The ha and the kha and the ha. Now, the ha is very simple. We can say it in other languages easily. It's just you letting the air out from your airways in your throat. Ha, 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 hu, he, eh. This is the sound of the ha. The ha, it's the more breathy sound. Ha. Actually, the airways will be tighter to make this sound. Ha, hu, he. It's fine if you can't do it right now. It will improve with practice, inshallah. Now, the kha, let's call it, it's the scratchy one. You feel something is scratching into your throat while saying it. Kha, kha, kha. Okay? Kha, khu, khi. Now, we will take this as well, kha, and compare it to the ra, ra. See the difference? Ra, kha, kha, ra. Ru, khu, ru. Let's move on now to another set that some learners struggle to differentiate, and they make a huge difference in meanings and misunderstanding if you mispronounce them. They are the ayn, the a, u, I, and the hamza, a, u, e. I love always to give this example. Amal is hope, and amal in Arabic is job or work. See the difference? A. Make sure you practice these a lot until you master them. Another set that you need to differentiate between is the th, the same sound that you get from the word fourth. For example, ith sound. in comparison to the. It's the same sound that you get in English when you say like these, that, the, th, the, th. I hope that makes sense to you. Part of the overview now, we will focus on some, let's say, unique characteristics of some Arabic sounds. We're not comparing now sets together, but rather I would like you to know the nature of the ra, for example. Ra in Arabic is a bit more rolling ra than like what you see in English or British English. No, we don't say R in Arabic, we say ar, ra, ru, ri. Okay? It's a more rolling ra. Your tongue is actually highly involved while pronouncing the ra. I exaggerated now a little bit just to give you an idea of the rolling sound that I'm talking about. Ra, ra. The Arabic lam. The Arabic lam is a soft sound. It's la. And I love to talk about this with my students. When I ask my students, oh, what did you have yesterday or in the morning for breakfast? And they say, we ate falafel. And I keep telling them, we don't have falafel in Arabic. We have falafel. Falafel. See the light lam? El, la, lu, li. It's not L. It's not la. It's not lu, for example. It's soft. Actually, in Arabic, the only word that we have an emphatic L is the word Allah, which is God in Arabic or in Islam, for example. Allah. It's the only word that we have an emphatic lam, generally speaking. This was part of the overview in comparison sense, and some notes that I want you to be aware of from the beginning of your journey learning Arabic. Stay tuned for the next video.